What's up, beautiful humans? My name is Shar and welcome back to my channel. So, how are you guys? How was your summer? I know, it's me without makeup again, but I am going to learn, I promise you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to talk about my 3-year anniversary next month of me being locked. It's been a wild ride. It has been a completely, what is the word that I'm looking for? Interesting journey. I have learned so much throughout my 3 years of being locked. And honestly, I love it. I would do this again. However, I would do this sooner. I wish I had known about micro locks or sister locks before, when I had my hair troubles back in 2013, 2014, 2015. So yeah, it has been a really long road and I'm loving every minute of this journey. There was a bit of a hiccup when I started this journey, but now I feel like I'm getting the hang of it. So right now I'm just going to show you my hair. I'm not even going to talk a lot. This is a no talking video. I have a lot of tips and tricks that I could share. I did wanted to update you guys on what I use in my hair now. So conditioner in my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my hair and you can be the judge for yourself.
Yeah, I ain't done. I didn't quit, I was on vacation. I came back, got a fire burning in me. Try it out and you can get yourself burned, baby. I ain't done. I didn't quit, I was on vacation. I came back, got a fire burning in me. Try it out and you can get yourself burned, baby.
I know you thought it, forget it. I'm back with it like a habit. In my own lane, I know traffic, so I gas and nothing stop it. I ain't stopping till Jah just says time's up and he come snatch me. I take off like a spaceship in his presence and basking. I ain't done. This mission is finished, so I will train and I'll run till I pass the finish. Line it up and let's go get it. In the feet like it is cricket. I'm going hard like a zilly. Get with it or run like Forrest.
To be honest, recently I wanted to quit, but God instantly dropped 10, stopped me from flipping the switch. It's like he knew that moment was coming, had the homie Cali waiting to remind me why I started doing what I did.
Took me a minute to shake it, but I eventually shook it. God brought me back to my senses after it knocked my self-senses. Hocus pocus messed up my focus. Forgot what's cause God is gracious. Experienced so much goodness and started trusting my goodness. My goodness turned to be weakness and weakness. I saw with strength. My strength is bound up in Jesus. Without him I cannot do this. He the one that told me go. Make yourself available. Gave you this music as you came, but I make you able now. Turn my soul on, bones like an inferno. Riding with the ghost, so just know I'm never so low. Try to stop it, you gonna end up on a burner, boy. I'ma spit that lava, lost you frame, it's that volcano, boy. Hey, I ain't done. Hey, yeah, I ain't done. Hey, yeah, I ain't done. This right here, it's just the getting started, I ain't done.
Hopefully soon I can do a length check and we can see where I'm at for 3 years and see if it's accurate or if it's where I'm supposed to be. For those of you who don't know, I did bleach my hair before, at the beginning of my journey, before my hair was mature. So that caused significant hair loss. What is on the tips right now is where I messed my hair up, messed my locks up. But 3 years later, they're so full, they're so healthy. A little bit dry because, to be honest, I've been so busy, super busy, and I haven't been able to take care of my hair the way that I want to. Plus, I have experienced a teensy bit of postpartum shedding. Oh my God, what is wrong with me? Postpartum shedding. So yeah, you can see what it looks like. So I do love my middle part, but sometimes I get a little bit adventurous and I go over to the side. Now, as you can see, this side, so I have a little bit of grubs. I call them grubs. I don't know what you call them, but they're little pieces of locks that haven't grown in a long time. Now, I've had this since, let's see, since I was natural, I guess, since I was relaxed. I was relaxed since I was 16 years old, and at like say around 17, 18, I started getting a little bit of hair loss right here in the front because I would always put my hair back like this, and that would cause, you know, some tension and pull my hair out, maybe causing a little bit of, you know, causing these little bit of hairs to not grow. So I will be doing a Q&A very soon. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions for me at all, of anything about my journey, about tips, tricks to, you know, take care of your locks or anything. And yeah, enjoy. I'm gonna put some pictures maybe to show you my whole 3rd year of being locked. Thank you for watching my channel, and hope you subscribe. Take the time out, like the video, leave a comment. It's much appreciated.